Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a graph in Microsoft Excel sheet. Let me open a Microsoft Excel sheet with some data over it. Here you can see that I have monthly sale data for a hypothetical company, and I would like to represent this data in the form of a graph. The simplest method of making a graph in Microsoft Excel sheet is to select the data first, then go to recommended charts, click over it. Here you can see that Excel has done a pretty good job in displaying your data as a chart. Let me click over it. Here you can see that your data has been presented in the form of a graph. Now there are some style that you can check. For example, this is the style 6. This is the style 7, and you can go through to check that looks best for your data. And here on the left side you can go to quick layout. Here are some more layouts to check, and similarly you can add some chart elements to your graph as well. Let me click over it, and I want primary Excel title. I would click primary Excel title, months. On the vertical line I would add sales. The other method of making a graph is go to insert, go into the graph, click over the graph that you want to have, right click, and you can select data. You also have this option over here, select data. Now here you can add series name. Series name is months. Delete this value, select the months range, click OK. Again click add. This time series name is sales. Again select the data range, click OK. Again click OK, and here you have your graph. You can again go for different styles and quick layouts. Let me show you how to make a graph for two sets of data. Here you can see we have months and sales data for 2020 and 2021. So again I would select the data, insert, I would click on the recommended charts, and again you can see that Excel has done pretty good job, but I'm not satisfied with the way it has represented the data. I would go to all charts, and in the all charts I can go to combo charts. Now here you can take your choices. If you want to have a different sort of graph for 2020 and 2021, you can choose from these options. For example, I want to have a line graph for 2020, and for 2021 I would like to have a bar chart. And now I would click, and here you can see that you have got a combo chart. You can change the title. Let me show you one more chart. In this case I have days and temperature in centigrades. Again I would select the data, go to insert, click, and here you can see that Excel has done a pretty nice job in representing our data visually and beautifully. This is how graphs are made in Microsoft Excel sheet. Thanks for watching.